In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful family video using CapCut. Whether you want to preserve precious memories or create something special for a celebration, this guide will take you through each step to craft a professional-looking video with ease. First, you'll want to start by importing all your family photos and videos. This is an essential first step as it helps you organize your memories in one place, making it easier to work with them. You can easily import files from your phone or computer directly into the app, seamlessly gathering all the moments you want to include. Once your materials are uploaded, the next task is to arrange them on the timeline in the correct order. Think of this timeline as your storybook. Here, you can arrange the photos and videos chronologically or by theme. Don't hesitate to drag and drop each clip to suit the narrative you wish to tell. It helps if you have a story in mind, perhaps moving from older pictures to the most recent ones, forging a path through treasured family events and milestones. With your timeline neatly arranged, it's time to add a suitable background music track. The right music can elevate your video profoundly, setting the tone and enhancing the emotional impact. After selecting a piece of music that suits your theme, make sure to adjust the audio levels. You want the music to complement your visuals, not overpower them. So keep an eye on the balance and consider lowering the music's volume if your video contains live sound or voices that are important for the storytelling. Now, let's add some fade transitions and light text captions to tell a richer story. Using fade transitions between photos and videos can add a touch of elegance and professionalism, smoothing out the flow from one scene to the next. Meanwhile, text captions serve to provide context or highlight particular moments. Choose a simple font that is easy to read, and ensure your text does not distract from the visuals. Captions could include dates, locations, or a brief note about the scene. For a final touch, consider incorporating slow zoom and pan animations on your photos. This technique, often referred to as the Ken Burns effect, can create a sense of movement and keep your audience engaged. By gently zooming into a child's smile or panning across a stunning landscape, you add dynamism and draw attention to the details. It adds life to still images and helps maintain interest throughout your video. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted family video that tells your unique story, ready to share with loved ones. CapCut makes the art of video editing both accessible and enjoyable, allowing you to turn simple photos and videos into a cherished narrative. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.